In this video, we will look at how to set the miscellaneous screen settings for your TV displays. We will click on View, hover over Settings. Hover over TV display settings. We will select Step 5, Miscellaneous Screen Settings. That will bring up the miscellaneous screen settings. For this setup, we are going to start Basic. The group length, what that is when you have told a display to group the work centers on the display, how many to show in each group, and so we suggest 7. Uncollapsed at 10, what this is when we see a work center, you see the top items are large. They go all across the screen, and at the bottom they are smaller, so they can fit more. So the uncollapsed is how many do you want to show large before you collapse and go to the smaller display. So the default is 10. The screen size or the font of the screen, the default's 20. You can increase and decrease this for your displays. This display 1 and display 2, these fields will be covered in a later video. For now, leave them blank. Refresh active and refresh overview, this is how many minutes you want to go by before the active screen and the overview screen refresh. Exclude on the overview. You can type in the different names of your TV displays that you do not want to show on the overview. Empty on overview, what this will do is it will show all the work centers that do not have anything in them. If this is unchecked, it will only show the work centers with orders actively in those centers. Show full on overview, this will show all orders for the center on the overview. If that's not checked, you can restrict that down to just show what your manufacturing goals are. Overview columns, what that is when we look at our overview screen. And we see 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so when we choose the overview columns, we've selected 4 here. Overview column width, that is the width of each column. And then overview length, that is how many orders to show, the default is 10. And so you can see here in this example, it was set at 15. And so it's showing 15 of 55 orders, 15 of 1 order, 15 of 5 orders. And so the default is set at 12. And so on these miscellaneous settings, you will just click Set Default, close the dialog box, and hit Save Settings.